you're experiencing high ping while playing EAFC 25, there are several steps you can take to improve your connection and enhance your gaming experience. Follow these steps to quickly address the issue. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. You can run a speed test to check your download and upload speeds. Ideally, you want a ping under 30 ms for optimal gameplay. Step 2. Use a wired connection. Switch from a wireless connection to a wired Ethernet connection. This can significantly reduce latency and provide a more stable connection, minimizing interruptions during gameplay. Step 3. Close background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using bandwidth. Programs like streaming services, downloads, or file sharing applications can slow down your connection. Step 4. Change DNS settings. Consider changing your DNS settings to a faster, more reliable DNS provider like Google DNS or OpenDNS. This can help reduce latency when connecting to game servers. Step 5. Optimize game settings. Adjust the in-game settings for EAFC 25 to lower graphics and network settings. This can help improve performance and reduce lag, especially if your system is struggling to keep up. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your ping and overall gaming experience. Enjoy your time on the field.